minus v2 before is equal to v2 prime minus v1 prime means after. So what do we do next? So we have to substitute the value for the initial velocity, which is for v1 this is 20 centimeter per second, and for v2 which is negative, which is opposes the direction of v1, so we have to put negative 10 is just equal to v2 prime minus v1 prime. So v2 prime is as is minus, since velocity 1, so we have in here, we agree a while ago that the change will be, or the sign will be changed in the right side of the equation. So notice this, if v1 is positive in here, then in the right side, in the right hand of the equation, it will be negative v1 prime. So notice velocity 1 on the left side of the equation is positive, and on the right side it is negative. So that would be our sign convention. And then notice also that velocity 2 in the initial is negative, it will be positive in the right hand of the equation. Are we clear? So I'll repeat it again. So our sign convention would be, if the velocity 1 is positive in the left side of the equation, it will be negative in the right hand side of the equation. And if velocity 2 is negative in the initial or in the left side of the equation, it will be positive in the right side of the equation. Okay, so let's clear things. Let's solve the problem. So I'll just be copying again the equation number 1, which is negative 100 is equal to negative d10 v1 prime plus 30 v2 prime. Okay, so this will be our equation number 1. And then for the equation number 2, we'll just have to simplify. 20 minus negative 10 is equal to v2 prime minus negative v1 prime. Ito, we have to simplify this equation. Simplify equation number 2. So 20 minus negative 10, it will be 30 is equal to v2 prime plus v1 prime. So substituting or expressing in terms of v2, so v1 prime would be v2 prime minus 30, or it could also be v1 prime is equal to 30 minus v2 prime. This is just an equivalent equation. So we have in here our equation number 2, which is equal to the 30 minus v2 prime is equal to v1 prime. This will be our equation number 2. This will be our equation number 1. So we can now solve the problem by substitution method. By substitution method, we have our equation number 1, which is negative 100 is equal to negative 10